The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is stepping into a completely different league this year. It's not just a flagship, it's Samsung's all-out VIP statement. This device looks and feels like the Ultra series finally entering its royal era, where every decision is precise, every upgrade is intentional, and the entire design philosophy screams premium confidence. With every leak, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is proving that it's not here to experiment, it's here to dominate. And now, Ice Universe has dropped another powerful tweet directly addressing the chaos around the S26 Ultra leaks. According to him, the tech community is flooded with too many different versions of leaks this year, and most of them don't match reality. He says he has always stood firmly by three major specifications: a 5000 mAh battery, 60-watt charging, and a 3x10 megapixel telephoto camera with a 1/394 sensor. And he insists that these specifications are absolutely correct. Ice Universe makes it clear that time will reveal who was right. He also says he's not expecting anyone to award him a trophy when his information turns out to be accurate. What he truly hopes for is something else, that the people who deliberately lie, create fake renders, and invent false specifications will delete their accounts and leave the tech leak community altogether. He says this space has been polluted to the point of becoming unbearable and outright disgusting. This tweet shows a different kind of confidence, not just in the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but in the accuracy of the information he has been sharing all year. And if his specs are correct, then the S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a balanced, refined, and intelligently upgraded device focused on keeping what works and improving what matters. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in comment section. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be the most aggressively upgraded Ultra Samsung has released in years. And now one of the biggest improvements might finally be confirmed. After years of slow charging speeds, Samsung is preparing to make a major jump that fans have been asking for. Multiple new reports suggest that Samsung is finally planning to upgrade the charging speeds on its upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. We're still a couple of months away from the official announcement, but fresh leaks are already revealing more details about this long-awaited charging boost. Recently, One UI 8.5 firmware files started circulating online, and tech enthusiasts have been digging through them. According to findings from Android Authority, several text strings inside these files mention super fast charging 3. While the exact charging power isn't listed, this label likely refers to the previously leaked 60-watt fast charging upgrade. It also looks like Samsung is finally ready to move past the long-standing 5000 mAh battery limit used on its flagships for years. A new leak now suggests that the Galaxy S26 Ultra may feature the largest battery Samsung has offered in a mainstream device in a long time. According to Momentary Digital on Weibo, the S26 Ultra will continue Samsung's recent trend of getting slimmer and lighter while still bringing a noticeable battery increase. Reports indicate the device may ship with a 5200 mAh battery instead of the usual 5000, giving users more endurance without adding bulk. The S26 Ultra is starting to look like the device that completely reshapes what a flagship should be. With major camera upgrades, a larger battery, faster charging, and a stronger design identity, Samsung is clearly planning something bold for 2026. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. We're now going to run through the full specs, design, and expected pricing to help you decide which one is right for you, so hit subscribe now, and let's dive right into it. First up, the standard Galaxy S26. It's coming with a 6.2-inch dynamic A&OLED display with improvements in brightness and color accuracy. We get a 120Hz display with HDR10+, and a resolution of 1080x2340. The display will be protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. For selfies, it has a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the rear, there's a triple camera setup consisting of a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, but the exact sensors are still unknown. It'll be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chipset and comes with 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4000 mAh unit with 25 dB fast charging and 15 dB wireless charging. It will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. The phone will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at around $800 in January 2026. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, which may also be known as the S26 Edge. This one will come with a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with similar improvements in brightness and color accuracy. You'll get a 120Hz display, HDR10+, and a resolution of 1440x3120, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. There's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera for selfies. The rear setup includes a dual camera system with a wide and an ultra-wide camera, though the exact sensors are still under wraps. It's also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 and will come with 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4,900 mAh unit with 45 DU fast charging and 15 DU wireless charging. It will support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. This model will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to be priced from $1,000 in January 2026. Finally, we have the premium model, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This one features a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display, again with improvements to brightness and color accuracy, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+, with a resolution of 1440x3120, and it will be protected by Gorilla Glass Armor 3. There have been reports suggesting that this could feature the first ever under-display camera on an S-series phone, likely an 8-megapixel under-display selfie camera. On the rear, it will come with a quad camera setup featuring wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, and periscope lenses, but the exact sensors are still unknown. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 in all regions and will come with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, UFS 4.0. It's packing a 6,000 mAh battery with significant improvements to fast charging. As expected, it will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. The S26 Ultra will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at $1,300 in January 2026. Overall, it's looking like the Samsung Galaxy S26 series is going to be an exciting release, especially if the Ultra becomes the first S-series phone to feature the under-display camera. Samsung seems to be continuing their strategy of improving and refining their phones, rather than completely redesigning them for the sake of it. And just like all new phones, there will be a major emphasis on software, with AI playing a huge role in the user experience. The launch is still a bit far off, but we can expect plenty of information to leak as we approach the release date. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the latest updates.